976 pips. Wow, that's a great number of pips that we were able to deliver to our members in the premium group on Telegram last week. And actually, I wanted to share with you the style that Angela is using in sending these signals. For example, this Euro NZD signal, Angela has noticed that there is here an inverted head and shoulders pattern has actually been completed, and also notice that this support level is being respected right here, and that support is keeping its position as a support. Notice also that she has expected that the market might actually make a pullback right here and then reverses. And what happened next was exactly what she predicted. The market has reversed exactly from this support, made another pullback, and went way to the take profit number 3. That's actually outstanding. And here are the results from our last week in the premium group on Telegram. As we can see, full of greens, full of profits. Of course, very small losses, which is very normal here and there. But however, in general, look at that. Take profit number 3, take profit number 2 has been hidden as well. Look at that, my friends. It's all full of green. I'm very happy and I'm very proud to see these results, of course. Everything was perfect last week. The premium group did very well, and for that I'm very proud. I'm just scrolling to show you the results exactly directly from the premium group on Telegram without hiding anything. Any losses are being shown, any profits of course being shown as well. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. Now, of course, not only the premium group did very well, also the signals, which I'm sending right here on YouTube for free for you, has done amazing as well. And my friends, I have the right to be very proud of my work. And as we can see, the EURUSD right now has been in profit and went right now in 21 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the pound USD has actually reversed as I have predicted and went all the way from the sell order to the take profit level, making 95 pips of profit. AUDUSD was one perfect signal. Look at that. It has reversed exactly from what I mentioned that we can start selling the pair, and went all the way to the take profit level, making also almost 90 pips of profit. USDCAD has also the buy order been triggered again, and the pair resumed the rise to the take profit level, making 73 pips for those who have entered late, and for those who have entered originally from Monday have made 116 pips of profit. Only USDJPY I have been struggling with. It didn't go as I have predicted, of course. USDCHF also now still struggling at the entry, currently running in 8 pips of loss. Gold, finally the gold has actually respected my analysis and went exactly as I have predicted. As you can see, actually I have sent the prediction that we can sell exactly right here, and went all the way to the take profit level, making total of 276 pips of profits. And of course, that pattern or that movement happened after the take profit level was hidden. So this signal was completed before this movement happened. So of course I'm very happy and I'm very proud, and I think I have the full right to be very proud of my work and for my analysis. I believe it's very accurate, and of course I'm very proud of it. So let me now first write for you the new signals for this week, and I'll be back to you shortly. And here we go, and we will begin as usual with the Euro USD. Now, regarding this pair, I believe it's actually going to be ranging inside this support zone for a while, until I think Wednesday morning after Jerome Powell's speech. I believe the pair is going to make actually a strong movement, but until then, the Euro USD has actually shown a strong rejection right here to break out from that long-term support on 1.159 If we check the weekly chart, actually, let me just show you something here. Very interesting. The weekly chart shows that right now we are actually facing a major strong support zone, which has recently become one single attempt of a resistance. That indicates that most likely, oh yeah, and by the way, we had one single attempt of a resistance and has been followed later with this strong bullish momentum of a resistance candle, or actually a bullish breakout candle. And now that means that this level most likely is going to be maintained or be respected again as a support as well. Now we are having right here this price action, which actually shows a strong pressure from the buyers and sellers. Let me just show it to you. This candle right here, which has closed actually the entire week, as actually shown, the performance of the entire week shows that the market has actually faced a strong pressure from the buyers and sellers. But keep in mind, it was still a blue candle, which means most likely we can expect the next candle to be also bullish one, and most likely it's going to continue the rise till it reaches that level of the resistance. Now after that happens, we can expect from the market to continue the fall. Maybe it can happen actually if the sellers keep pushing the market down at this level. However, for the meantime, we can maintain a buy level for the Euro USD. Now again, we are back to the daily chart. And as we can see, my friends, the candle has closed as the hammer. Therefore, we can expect from the market to continue the rise at least to another 77 pips just to retest or actually revisit the same level of the resistance at 1.16396, which is going to be our take profit level. Of course, not to mention that we had right here a fake breakout, and also right here we had the fake breakout. But however, this rejection right here is very strong, and I don't think that the Euro USD is going to be able to continue the fall immediately. It has to make another pullback, revisiting this resistance level before it might actually continue the fall. Therefore, we will just maintain a buy order for this week for the Euro USD at 1.15296, which is going to be the lowest level of the support. Now, if the market is going to be ever able to exceed this level of the safe zone, it means that this trade is no longer valid. But however, we can keep it running until it hits this level of the resistance. So there goes everything for the Euro USD. Hopefully it's going to be a good signal, and hopefully everyone will make good profits out of it. Now let's take a look at the Pound USD. Now regarding Pound USD, as we can see right here, if we go to the weekly chart, actually, the weekly chart shows that the market right now is facing a very strong support level right here, which has been struggling to break out from that level since October 25th. Now, as we can see, my friends, we are having also this support right here at 1.37005, and seems like the pair is actually respecting this level of a support. Now most likely the Pound USD is going to continue the rise till it reaches again the same level of the resistance on Fibonacci retracement number 23.6. Now let's go to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, it shows out here that the market has actually faced another rejection, and this candle right here, since the candle has closed like this, it indicates a strong pressure from the support on 1.34693. Now we can expect from the market to make another pullback, retesting the broken support level at 1.36082. But however, I'm making a buy order right here at that support level, and also maintaining a take profit level exactly at 1.35738. We still have a potential for the pair to continue the rise till this level of 1.36062. But however, the take profit level is going to be 28 pips lower than that. The reason is we're having here another support level exactly right here at the take profit level of 1.35747. There is a chance that the pair actually might make another pullback right here and goes down and wiping out all the profits that we have made. Therefore, I prefer always to stick to the safe option, which means, let's go now to the 4-hour time frame, which means we will buy exactly from the market when the market actually make another pullback right here for another 23 pips, and that support level right here is gonna be respected again after this bullish breakout candle. That support level is most likely is gonna be respected again, and therefore that is gonna be our target, which was the nearest support to our entry, because we are placing our buy order right here at that support level, and the next nearest support is gonna be, of course, this one. Then we have another take profit numbers too, if you might say so, and it is gonna be right here. However, we can expect from this trade to make approximately 107 pips, hopefully gonna be a very good profit. And let me just make it clear for you where exactly we can start buying and take the profit. And of course, the safe zone will be ranging till the lowest level of the previous support at 1.34158. There goes your signal for the Pound USD. Hopefully it's gonna work very well and bring us lots of profits. Let's now take a look at the AUDUSD. Now regarding AUDUSD, I think everyone can agree that this pair seems perfectly good for the buy for this week. As we can see as well, my friends, right now on the daily chart, the market has shown a strong resistance, a strong pressure right here on the support of 0.73819. Indeed, The sell order on the resistance was perfect, but however, right now we can expect another pullback, and most likely the market will make another pullback right here, reaches again the same level where we sold last week. So therefore we can expect from the market to create resistance number 2, which is gonna be our take profit level. Now if we look carefully as well, we can see that this level right here was a very strong support or key support level, and the market has shown also right here a strong rejection to break out from that level. Then checking the history, we can see that the market has actually respected the same level again as a support. Therefore, this pin bar right here indicates that most likely the market is going to be bullish for this week, and hence we have to consider buying it. And I'm sending the signal that we can start actually buying on 0.73819 if we ever see the market falls for another 18 pips, just for a safe, more safe entry. Then after that we can expect to make approximately 81 pips profit from this trade. Meanwhile, the safe zone is going to be ranging below till the lowest level of that previous support on 0.73417. There goes your signal for the AUDUSD. Hopefully it's going to work very well, and hopefully it's going to bring us lots of profits. Let's now take a look at the USDCAD, which I am actually, to be honest with you guys, having a doubt with this signal, because let me tell you something. Right now, the USDCAD is actually showing a strong momentum right here after breaking out from that long-term resistance on 1.24270. However, the market right now is actually facing a strong resistance right here at 1.24841. I believe I actually, you know something, I believe this week we're trading the pullbacks. I noticed that most of these signals that actually focusing only on the pullbacks, and therefore we're going to be trading them. However, I believe that the USDCAD is also going to face this strong resistance level. Most likely it's going to be respected. The reason I'm saying that the market actually has shown a strong pressure on the same level of 1.24841. That level is very strong, and most likely the market, as you can see right here, we have already created, the market has already created a resistance number 1, and as you can see, the market has almost reached the same level of the resistance, and the candle has closed like this as a doji candle and already created resistance number 2, which means we can expect from the market to continue the rise again, just to make another pullback, and after that it's gonna respect the retest the same level of the support at 1.123967, and after that it might actually continue the rise. Now let me tell you something. In the end, we are actually expecting to start buying the USDCAD at this level of the support at 1.23967, which is going to be perfect level for the buy. However, the market didn't reach this level of a support. It actually has made the bullish breakout from that level of a support. So the idea right now that the market has to respect this level of a previous resistance and then making a pullback, and then that support level is going to keep its position again as a support, and then we can start buying the pair again. So that's the reason actually I'm having some doubts with the USDCAD signal. I would advise you, my friends, to enter this signal with a small lot. It has a potential to fail. However, from my experience in this market over these 7 years, I believe most likely the USDCAD signal eventually gonna work out very well and bring us lots of profits. But however, let's be safe. If I would like to rate my signals, let's say for example 5 stars each as a trusted level, I would give it 3 only. I would give it 3 of 5, 3 out of 5 of trustworthy level. So there goes your signal for the USDCAD. Hopefully it's gonna work very well, and hopefully it will bring us good profits. Now let's check USDJPY, which I'm almost sure about it for 2 reasons. We can sell the USDJPY at 113.693. Now, reason number 1, we're having right here a strong key resistance level, which is gonna be definitely respected right here after the market makes another pullback after the upon the pressure on 113.396. Now, number 1, this resistance right here is definitely going to be respected again after this strong bearish breakout candle, and most likely it's gonna make a resistance attempt as well, and the market hopefully is gonna continue the fall. Number 2 is we're having right here this support trend line, and as you can see, the market has already retested the broken level of a resistance trend line, which means right now we can actually clone this level, and we just Let me just make it accurate for you, like that, exactly like that. Now we can expect from the market to retest again the same level of the broken support trend line, and then it's going to create a new resistance trend line, and therefore it's going to continue the fall. So these are two reasons I believe most likely the USDJPY is going to continue the fall, and therefore we can sell at 113.693, meaning we will be aiming 106 pips profit from this trade, and of course the safe zone will be ranging till the peak of the resistance at 114.240. And the reason for that, if the market is ever going to be able to reach this level and exceed it, it means that the retest of the broken support trend line has actually failed, and the market no longer gonna make a resistance trend line. So there goes your signal for the USDJPY. Hopefully it's gonna work very well, and hopefully it's gonna bring us lots of profits. USDCHF. I think the USDCHF is a very clear signal for the sell. As we can see right here, my friends, the market has shown a very strong downtrend, and seems like the USDCHF, after closing on the daily chart as a pin bar like this, is indicating that the market definitely gonna continue the fall. I really doubt that the USDCHF needs any more explanation, and therefore if we go to the 4-hour time frame, let me just zoom out some, okay, like that. We are having here already a single attempt of a resistance. Right now the market faces a strong support level at 0.91107, so we can expect right now the pullback, and here exactly where we can start selling the pair, and therefore hopefully it will take us into the profit. And of course the take profit level is gonna be the nearest strong support level to our entry, which is gonna be 0.90386, and we can expect to make about approximately 105 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone will be ranging for approximately 40 pips only at 0.91837. There goes your signals for the USDCHF. Hopefully it's gonna work very well and hopefully bring us lots of profits. Let's now take a look at the gold, and I really hope it's gonna work very well for this week. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that the gold should be good for the buy for this week. The sell order is no longer valid, of course, after what happened last week. As we can see, this strong bullish momentum happened on the gold, and right now we are above 1,800. Right now we are on 1,808.41. This is the level exactly where we can start buying the gold again. Let me show you something interesting. Right now we are having a strong downtrend. As you can see, we're having right here this resistance trend line, and most likely the gold eventually gonna revisit or actually test this level of a resistance trend line. It's definitely going there, so therefore we have right now to rely on the support levels to confirm where exactly we can start buying the gold. Right now we are having this strong key resistance level at 1,808.41, which was previously of course a support. Now this level has obviously been breaking out from with this strong bullish breakout candle. Therefore all we can do is expecting from the gold to actually respect this level of a resistance right here, and then it's gonna actually reverses right here, and then exactly right here on 1,808.41 we will start buying the gold, and the target will be right here till the market actually reaches this level of a resistance at 1,830.71, completing the pattern of a resistance trend line, which is gonna be of course our take profit level, and hopefully we can close this trade with a very good profit. Let me now go to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly the resistance which has been broken out from, and right here we're having this support zone, which we are actually relying on it to confirm our entries. Not only that, of course we are having right here this support trend line, and as you can see, exactly like this, we're having here this we are having here this support trend line, which has been respected for the long time, for quite long time, till after we see here another bearish breakout candle. The market has become only one single attempt of a resistance trend line, only one. Meanwhile, how many attempts we have as a support trend line? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 attempts of a support trend line. Now after this bullish breakout candle has appeared, we can expect from the market to reverse upon the pressure from that resistance at 1,817.93, and then make the pullback where exactly we can start buying the gold, hoping for that support level right here to respect its level as a support, and hopefully it's going to continue the rise till it reaches the resistance trend line. Yeah, that's so messy. Yeah, that's so messy. I don't think anyone can understand anything from this. Let me delete it all. And yes, that's actually more clear. And hopefully, my friends, it's gonna be a very good signal, and hopefully everyone will make good profits with the gold. So in the end, I just wanted to remind everyone that on Monday and Tuesday, we will be having some speech from Mr. Jerome Powell, the federal manager, and I believe he is actually gonna make some changes on the gold signal. So please pay attention to his speech. Make sure you're following it, and don't rely only on the technical analysis. We have, of course, to rely on the fundamentals as well. Also, I want to remind everyone about our Forex signals, that not every week will be great and awesome as the last week. Last week was actually very good. Actually, it was excellent week. We made a lot of profits. We made approximately 1,000 of pips to the members. But however, for those who are planning to join right now, please pay attention to the fact that not every week will be great as that one. Forex business is always risky. Forex business is always based on the well money management plans, and of course you have to consider that the losses is also part of the game. So make sure, my friends, you are aware about these facts before you joining, and of course we will do the best we can to make sure that you will end up in a very good profit as usual. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.